Welcome back to Appetite for the Outdoors. I'm Jason with Carolina Cooker, and today we've got something special. This is our steamer boiler unit. So we've got a low country boil on one side, and we've got some oysters that we're gonna steam right here. We're gonna do both at the same time. So I'm gonna start with my boil. I'm gonna open up our seafood boil pack and get that in. Get our water nice and seasoned up. Now we're gonna add in our potatoes. So potatoes going in by themselves to start off with. Get those going. Those are gonna cook for about 30 minutes just by themselves. Okay, we've got our potatoes at fork tender. It's been about 30 minutes. So we're gonna pop the lid back open here. I'm gonna add some quartered onions inside. And we're also going to add our corn now. Okay, we'll give both of those 12 minutes or so, and we'll check it back. Sausage going in. I'm gonna have my good friend, you might know him, Chris Douglas, Carolina All Out. We're going to put these oysters on the top here. And Chris, you're gonna slide that handle to one side and slip it out of there. Lid down, we're gonna steam our oysters for about 10 minutes, and then we'll pull the oysters, kill the heat, add the shrimp, everything good at one time. 10 minutes later, our oysters are done, and I'm gonna add my shrimp in. All right, we're gonna let those shrimp steep in this hot water for about 5 minutes, pull them, dump it, have our oysters ready to go at the same time. So as you can see here, plenty of seafood, 2 different methods, all in one machine, plenty of food for a crowd. If you love seafood, you gotta have one. I'm Jason with Carolina Cooker. Let us help you navigate the seasons both in the field and in the kitchen.